The BioHorizons Guided Surgery Kit offers the precision and predictability of guided implant placement with a streamlined single kit design. Surgical guides are available from Vulcan Custom Dental and many other guide partners. For a full list, visit the BioHorizons website. The guide manufacturer will provide the surgical guide along with the surgical protocol, detailing the instruments to be used for the case. Once the surgical guide is seated, begin the surgery using the instruments specified in the surgical protocol. Place the drill guide into the master cylinder and advance the pilot drill through the drill guide until it rests on the bony crest. Confirm passive seating of the drill by pumping the drill in and out. Once the drill is passive, rest it against the bony crest and begin drilling. Continue to pump the drill in and out of the drill guide to allow for irrigation. Continue to prepare the osteotomy according to the surgical protocol. Verify the driver and stop position recommended on the surgical protocol. Pick up the implant using the driver and place either a disposable depth stop or depth stop handle in the correct stop position. Place the implant through the guide until the depth stop rests on the top of the master cylinder. Remove the guide and place the temporary restoration, healing abutment, or cover cap. Learn more at biohorizons.com.